Square breathing, also known as box breathing, involves breathing in the shape of a square. Breathing in for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and then breathing out for 4 seconds before waiting 4 seconds before you take your next breath. It's actually used by the S.A.S, a special forces unit within the British Army, and it's taught to soothe nerves during times of high tension, which, of course, makes it the perfect tool for stressful situations. To access square breathing mode, make sure your Luma is turned on and in standby mode. From here, simply short press the top of Luma once and you will see the steady glow diffuser turn blue, indicating square breath mode. Alternatively, you can press any one of the 4 touchpoint buttons on the base of Luma. All 4 buttons have the same function. Wait until you see this spinning indicator, which shows that you've selected a breathing pattern, and Luma will wait for you while you get yourself comfortable. Remember to sit up nice and straight whilst remaining relaxed in the shoulders. Doing this gives you the space to breathe into your belly using your diaphragm. Once you're feeling ready, short press Luma one more time. As the light rises, breathe in through your nose. As it pulses, hold that breath, and then as it fades away, breathing out slowly as though blowing through a straw. Wait until Luma has finished pulsing before taking your next breath. Continue this pattern, focusing on the light and the sensation of your breath. Don't worry if it takes a few breaths to get into it. Stick with it and your body will start to understand that it's time to relax. After 5 minutes, Luma will automatically end the exercise and return to standby mode. If you'd like to end the exercise early, simply long press Luma until you see the reset indicator. Thanks for checking out this short how-to video for Luma. Don't forget to check out our other explainer videos on our YouTube channel and website. Take care and remember, breathe more, feel better.